everyone, welcome back to another video. So let's discuss about how to forward a lead or opportunity to a partner. Forwarding a lead or opportunity to a partner is because this would allow you to delegate the responsibility to a specific partner in the organization. Suppose you are running an IT consulting company, provides various services such as cloud solution, software development, and cybersecurity, and your team is dealing with incoming leads or opportunities. But due to large increase in the volume of the leads and opportunities, they are unable to manage them effectively. In such cases, you could forward the lead or opportunities to the specific partners who are specialized in specific area. So let's see how to manage or forward leads or opportunity in Odoo 16 CRM module. CRM, a qualified lead is an opportunity to meet specific criteria on a deal that gives high value to your business. In some instances, companies face difficulties sending leads or opportunity to a particular partner in a business. With the assistance of ERP softwares, the user can easily forward the lead to the respective partner. Odoo 16 CRM module is the best way to send lead or opportunities to various partners. We can formulate different types of leads in the CRM module and assign them to the relative individuals. The business deals with the customers enhanced quickly through the leads. So let's generate a lead for sending to a partner using Odoo 16 CRM. So we can create opportunities or lead in order to forward that to the partner. So let me create an opportunity first. Here you can fill the details of the contact. As you choose the contact, all other details will be automatically configured. You can set the revenue and all other details, and you can also set the priority of this. Now, as I need to forward this to the partner, you can set or you can send this to the partner in two ways. Either by setting it as the list view, you can choose let me select one among the list, and you can see as you choose one of the opportunity, a button will be triggered here, and we can directly send this from or forward this to the partner, or just get into these lead. Let me uncheck this and get into the lead, and under action we can forward this to the partner. So let me forward this to the partner, and we can forward this to the partner with two options, like a single partner manual selection of partner, and we can also set several partners automatic assignment using GPS coordinates and partners grade. So let me set first option first, and let's forward the lead to the customer. So let me choose Abigail Peterson we need to forward to the partner, and you can set the mail ID over here. In order to send this, you first need to configure the outgoing mail server, which we have discussed in another video. So if you have any doubt regarding the setup of outgoing mail server, please do watch that video, and you can just click on send button so that. Now let's see how to forward the opportunity to the partner with the second option by setting it as several partners automatic assignment using GPS coordinates. So as you get into the internal link of this, you can set the partner as right now Abigail Peterson, and you can see when you set the location of Abigail Peterson, the location will be automatically configured there. So let me first set the city and state and all other details, and let me save and close this. So as you set the location, that location will be automatically configured by with the support of GPS coordinates, and with that support this opportunity will be sending or forwarding to the partner. Now after that you can just click on send. So this will be forwarded to the partner. Now let's see how a lead can be forwarded to a partner. So for that, first you need to ensure that you have enabled leads from the configuration settings. You can see the leads in the configuration settings. As we have enabled this lead is currently shown in the dashboard of CRM module. Now let's back to the leads, and as we have discussed of the forwarding opportunities to the partners, the step is very similar of that, and you can either select any of the leads and you can directly forward it from the list view. So here you can see forward the partner. So let me forward selected lead to a single partner, manual selection of partner. So I'm setting it as Abigail Peterson itself, and you can send this. So let me click on send that. The Abigail Peterson will receive a mail. Now let me get into the internal link, internal lead. And inside that link, you can see action button, and we can forward this to the partner. And let me choose the second option, that is several partners with automatic assignments using GPS coordinates and partner grades. And as we have set several partners, you can see the location as well as partner, everything is automatically assigned here. And let me click on send. So hope this concept is thorough for you. Thank you for watching the video. As always, stay awesome.